Hello everyone, this is Dark Souls 5 here, and today, it's an unboxing video. It's not a release day unboxing, but it's an unboxing video of three things. That's right, the memory card, and the memory card, and the memory card, which as you see, I've already opened it up. Just couldn't wait. And Minecraft for the PS4. I mean, for the PS Vita. Sorry. And you might be wondering now. Now, I went to Walmart to see about buying this for Walmart, but my local Walmart, but they didn't have it, so I had to go back to GameStop to pick this up. And as you can see, there's no cartridge in it. There's nothing in it. Now, except for this card, which I have already, which I'm not going to show you yet. I'm not going to show you that code, but there's a code right here on this, behind on the other side of this, that would give me access to play this game, to install it and all that. Here's a game. Here's also a game that, well, unfortunately, it's out of the package, but it was like this when I bought it. Soul Sacrifice. That's right. That's right. This right here, little cartridge. See that there? Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I like it. Looks pretty awesome. Now, I'm going to warn you, I am going to do some gameplay of it tonight. Yes, I am going to do some gameplays of it tonight. Of both. I thought somebody was trying to knock on my door. Minecraft. I'm gonna do a little bit of Minecraft, and I'm gonna be doing some a little bit of Soul Sacrifice. And oh, I didn't even show you this, didn't I? Damn it. Yeah, there it is. I don't know if I'm trying to get in the camera, but I don't know if it's gonna if I can see it and get it or not. Yep, it's my memory card, 16 gigabyte. So yeah, this is gonna be it for the unboxing video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I know I did. And there will be some gameplays later on tonight, and I will upload them probably tomorrow, sometime this week. I promise you that. And thanks to we have a new subscriber, and I can't tell you the name of that person, but I can tell you. You want to know who the new subscriber is? Look on the description below, and you'll see the person's name. I thank that person for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I thank everyone for the views, and thank everyone for watching my videos and sharing my videos with everyone. I appreciate it. Hit that like button, and for new people who's coming to my YouTube channel to watch my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it so much. And spread the word about my YouTube channel. I appreciate that too. So until then, everyone, take care, have a good day, and I will see you for some gameplay. Yeah. Bye bye.